Okay guys, we've got my Bandit 1200N sporting a nice Black Widow full system. As you can see, it's full stainless. That includes the headers, the link pipe and the actual end can. The end can has got a removable baffle. It's already taken out of here, and we'll give you a little sound check in a bit. Quite an easy system to fit. The only addition I did on mine was down here, if you can actually see where the pipe links, I've put the actual standard 1200N. It's just like a little covering bracket. I just think it just finishes it off, gives it a bit more class to the actual exhaust. But yeah, we'll crack her up now, give you a little sound check. Start her up. That's her on tick over. Here we go. Guys, nice little sound check. Cracking pipe, fully recommend it at a nice budget price as well. Get yourself one fitted.